Hi guys, here's a quick video on how to invite people to your classroom, specifically the admin if you haven't done so already. You're going to click on your class that you want to add people to. Once that is open, you're going to go to the top. It says Stream, Classwork, and then People. You're going to click on the People tab. There you're going to go to the part that says Teachers. And to the right of where it says teacher, you're going to click on the little person with the plus sign and it'll pop up that says invite teachers. You're going to click on that and then you're just going to type in the names of the people that you want to invite to be teachers. So with this, for principals, you're going to have to type in all 4 of their names for each one of your classrooms, but it goes pretty quick. You click on them. It's not going to let me do him right now. And then once you click on the person you want to invite as a teacher, then you click the invite button and then they will get a notice that they then need to accept the classroom. So have fun inviting people to your classes.